My God.
Hey, y'all ready? Ready? All right, ready. Focus, all right? Hang time. Y'all ready? Get ready.
Oh, no guys, don't all have to be horrible. I was the second one. I was the first one. I was the second one. You don't even have a water bottle. Alright. Hey, kid.
They're gonna be behind the sprint.
Bro, we got another water boy. We got another one. Yo, remember these guys? Stay on the line. Hey, don't be nice. God. On this. Yo, bro, why would we do? Tell me if this tastes like water.
Defense, start D, let's go.
Alright, all my 85 water boys. 85 water boys. Listen, y'all.
85 water boys.
This way.
James.
Hurry up!
And we stopping at the 30, okay? You'll see that white box? We're staying.
Let's go.
All right.
What are you doing? Hey, shoot up! Hey, Noah, come out a little bit.
No, blue!
Yeah!
Blue 42! Hey, Jared. Mini Jared.
Hey,
Hey, come on, tight end. Watch the long jump.
Hey, they told us cameras and stuff got to be on the behind the rope. That's what they said. But they
Behind
say
the rope?
something,
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's what they told us.
There you go! Hey! Where you at, 3-4? Noah! Every play! Let's get it! Every play, Noah! Hey! Hit him a little bit harder, though. Come on. What do you guys say? Hey, way to clock in, 3-4!
You got to meet him there every time.
Hey, Logan!
Hey,
You gotta
here you go.
Grayson, give me the quarterback!
Hey, stay patient, 3-4! Hey, you gotta run the other way now, Noah. Stay home. Watch the ball.
Go, Grayson! Oh my God! Hit him!
Hey, talk to him, 3! Hey, talk to him, 3!
Don't crack his roll. How did you not play that first time? How'd you not tackle the first time?
Hey, low! Low game! Just sit on your feet, make the tackle. Right here. No. Stay home. Stay home, Noah. Stay there. Get up, Noah. Right there. Come on, Grayson. Bend the court. Let's go. All right, G, let's go. Watch the ball.
He said, okay, then, Grayson!
Go, good job, fellas. Hey, look at Mel.
Hey, they can't pass.
Jody, 12 for 3.
Hey, Melly Mel, homework, Mel. Hey, Grayson. Hey, G. Hey, Junior. Put him in the spot. There you go. Good job, Junior. Let's go. No. Be patient. Be patient, 3-4. Longest, get up.
See what kind of team I'm gonna get today. I just want to see y'all demeanor.
Patient. Get
I just want to see y'all demeanor.
Get low.
Ty got a good breakfast, so he should be all right.
Yeah, I just want to see their demeanor.
Get it. Yeah.
offense, let's go.
Stupid, this is not real. Oh, you playing? This is no way. It's 6 What's up, Coach Derek? We done 5.
Hey, y'all boys gonna play ball?
What up, D?
Hey, Derek.
Go back,
Y'all
take
boys gonna
James
play
with you.
ball today? Y'all gonna play like y'all did Wednesday night? Y'all go out and any game?
And then 31. Look, if he goes pass down because he thought George block. Well, I'm thinking. Go, Ray, go, 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 go,
Hey, I got it on the stalk, so you ain't gonna be in the frame. I got it on the stalk, so you ain't gonna be in the frame. You ain't gotta worry about ducking.
I saw him go. He was throwing people. Three.
MJ, get behind the red.
Me too. But I'm missing one, and I have the other. He's 34. And he don't. Go, baby, go! Go! Go, 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 go! Oh, yeah!
Oh shit! But they have a block in the back or something? Holding?
But they never called on the other team, so it's like frustrating us, you know? And if it's not even near the ball, isn't that a thing? Like if you're holding all the way over
I know,
there,
after the
it had
play,
nothing to do with the ball over here.
Because he's going to bring it back every time. That's what they do there.
But without the face mask, that all you know? So freaking frustrating. Shake it off, boys. Oh, was it Cruz?
No, Cam.
Okay. Go, baby, go! Go, Grayson, faster! Go, Grayson, faster! Faster, Grayson, go! Go, go, go!
Hey! Way to block! Way to steal that corner, boy! Pass the belly button. You gotta get lower, all right?
Faster, Baba!
No, you're good.
Why is he worried about this stuff? I don't understand. It's like he looks back for it. Just go. You had all that room. One little move,
Yeah.
boom, to the other corner, man. It's and I'm not even being rude. I just don't understand. Why would, if you're following me, I'm not gonna turn around. I'm worried about beating you in the game.
Yeah.
Go, baby, go! Go get that, Nas! Let's just run it in. It's the freaking England goal.
Ready? Out.
This is one right now. Nice. Nice going that way.
Go, Nas! Hurry up, baby! Go, go, go! Woo!
I can see the play before. That's what I call it.
Just freaking go.
We know that scoreboard not going to be on there. This game.
Go down there and bring the boys water and everything. Carly, let me see your socks, Carly. Hold on. Come here real quick. Put them socks on camera real quick. You got holes in them? Alright, let me go. You know how you do all the whole song.
Go, baby, go, 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 push it in.
I saw two. Defense! Who's that, MJ? Defense! Defense! Who you want to take him? James.
That's all right. Come on, y'all. Let's go.
Is that Cruz?
Yeah.
Got cooked on that one. Come here, MJ. You got to
Hey,
get outside.
shake that off, Cruz. Hey, Cruz, get to the best.
No, he did good.
Jerron! Jerron, let's go! Artist, let's go!
Grayson, I need that quarterback, baby. Come on.
Jerron!
Thank you.
Let's go! Artist, let's go! Awesome!
Hey,
Give me it.
y'all don't be acting crazy.
Oh, let's look at you.
Hey! Hold it, man. Hey, Braylon! Who was holding? Strong one. MJ! Come on. 3-4, be patient! Watch your holes! Noah! Yeah, no! Hey, Logan, it's all we got now. You good? Hey! No. Break down! Break down first! Hey, Noah! Let's go! Break down, right back. Watch the ball!
Running back.
Go, Grayson.
Who showed him that? Oh, you didn't see it? Braylon! Braylon, that's it. I'll connect to it, and if you can jump in the ball up. Get hurt, Braylon!
Yeah, y'all gotta give the players some water. I know who's amount of water you gotta give. They haven't even called a timeout yet. They haven't even called it.
Hold up, let's go!
Grayson, watch out. I swear, bro.
Go, Grayson.
Come on! Hey, come
That was sweet.
That was sweet. Did you get it?
Yeah.
All right, build the intensity, boys. Let's go, Raiders. Yeah, that touchdown he could have had, except he turned around the kick on for no reason. He could have just went. So that was yeah. Maybe because they're just little. They're like, what do we do? They're used to jumping on the ball instead of picking up and going. Luckily for Grayson, he does that a couple times. Yeah, last season he did it twice. At this field, actually. And scored. You were here, I thought.
I was here.
I think it was against, yeah, because we didn't play Prince Frederick, right?
Go, baby, go! Go! Go, MJ! Oh, good try, MJ!
You need to calm down, sir.
Good run, MJ! All right, Grayson, do it again every time, bud. Good job, buddy.
Nice run, MJ.
Water. Oh, yeah, MJ.
Hey, Logan. Watch the ball get around, all right? There we go. Get ready. There you go.
Noah! Be patient!
Delay again.
Okay.
Right there. Get up.
Hey, hang on.
Good job, Bray.
Hey, Braylon, I got he's fine, don't he? Hey, they need to just not come to the left side no more.
I was almost
Logan, shoot up. Push it around. Let's go. Watch the ball.
Let's go, Rollers! Noah! 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 It's all right. Keep digging.
Hey, Logan. You gotta stay on your feet. Come on.
Hey, play through the whistle, boys. Play through the whistle.
Gotta stay on your feet, Logan.
James! James!
Hey, Jason. Hey, Logan. Logan. Gotta stay on your feet. Oh, get in there, Logan. Right in the move that. Move in a little bit, Logan. Logan, move in. Move up, Logan.
Watch the ball! Watch the ball! Ball on me! Hey, Melvin in that touchdown, baby. Open!
What's up?
See, when Logan got put down on the floor and then tried to punch him.
Hard work, MJ. Good job, boy.
So you're going to be picked.
No, you must run that back. Huh? You go over the touchdown?
Look how my stats are
Go right in.
Get ready!
Chill. Y'all gonna lose your job. Chill out.
Go, man, keep blocking!
Leave him alone, hands up! There you go.
Go, Bray!
Go,
Wait.
game's going to end before the halftime.
No, I don't think they're gonna, because we don't do mercy rule, do we?
Yeah.
It does?
We ended our game early.
Is it 30?
I don't know.
Brandon, is there a mercy rule? Is there a mercy rule? Is it by 21?
We only got 18. He's not getting an extra point. Don't worry. 0-2 right now. Maybe we get this one up the middle.
Go, Grayson!
Maybe not.
He got it.
Good job, Grayson!
Maybe after the game.
I like the extra points because it gives them a chance to get in the end zone.
Stop. I like green. I like green. That was it,
All work, ready? Hey, Marcy!
Is this cold?
Watch the ball!
Come on, Larry.
Oh, yeah, that is really cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna get frostbite over here.
That was a good hit. Let's see the hold the place. Let's go hit him.
Hey!
Everybody's good on play so far.
3-4. Gotta break down first. We go to this every week.
Grayson, game ain't over. Let's go. You're fine.
Braylon.
Everybody's over. Back behind the red. Everybody behind the red. Here, take a step back. Go back over there.
There.
No, we go back over there.
There. Noah!
No, way to get off that ball.
No, he's making it. He's fine. But I think when he goes low, it's when he falls forward. You know what I mean? So he figured I gotta change something, so I'm gonna change something.
Hey,
What they're big, he's crazy.
hey. Way to work 3, 4.
He just came out.
Let's go, boys!
You got this, bud? Same play, right down the middle, right there. Same kid, go get it.
Hey, Bray! Hey, Bray! Every time, that's how it goes.
Hey, Braylon. I want you to hold him harder than that. Wrap him up.
I was like, I know he just came out. Amber, what was their score? What was their score? 7-6? He said 30-0. We'll keep 30-0. Sounds good.
Step back! Junior, step back!
Oh, he has 2 6.
Up, up!
Put some shoulder into him, Braylon.
Right there. Hold it.
Hey, you know what I just realized? I really recorded every video in slow motion. Every
Yo, it's gonna look cool though.
Every single video you're about to see is slow-mo.
But Kelly got the quick, you got the slow game. That's all good.
Every single video.
Hey, ref, come up, ref, come up.
Dang it.
Hey, water, let's
Keep
go.
doing it in slow-mo. We got it covered.
Every single video. Yeah.
Good job, guys. Good job.
That'll make for a great video.
No, I almost got it, but like somebody got on my foot, so it stopped. Stomach hurt.
You all right? You got poo-poo?
But we were all on the ground, so I couldn't really go over.
You good? You got him? Good job, baby sitter. We got poop, like you said.
They got plenty of clean bathrooms.
Drink some water if you can. Why ain't you?
It's not full.
Oh, it's all right if you drink some water. It'll be all right.
Junior, find the ball, Junior. Find it.
Be patient, Junior. Don't just take off. Do the gap, Logan.
Yeah.
Hey, Cruz. That's how you contain. Just like that.
Yo.
Just like that, Cruz.
Are you even a water boy?
Hey, way to adjust your angle.
His stomach's hurting.
Good job.
Now! Tackle!
You said your stomach's hurting? You're not even a water boy, so what are you doing?
I told him he could have some of the water.
I'm gonna start throwing hands on you, bro.
Come on, D!
Bro, they need the water.
Load up.
Junior, scoot up!
Bro, I need it.
Scoot up!
Take it all the water, bro. Be quiet. You see? Come out!
Hey, let's go.
Hey, Warner!
Hey, you want 3?
James. No, he's not going on defense. No. Artist.
I think he did have everything. Something else he played in
How much I got left?
Scoot up! Cam, scoot up!
Watch the ball.
Keep going, Cam!
Oh, what a hit. Dang.
Hey, Noah! Get up!
Hey, Grayson. Don't let him hold you like that. Get him off you right away. Right away.
Come here!
Give me another one. Hey. All right. Offense.
Hurry up, hustle, G.
Hurry up, what you giving? I ain't giving up. He's a bad. He's very polite, though.
Even though, like, if you're not something that Jonathan has on his face, he'll literally say, just stare at him. Junior's here. He wouldn't say nothing.
He'll sit there and start looking at this. you saying something?
I was just talking.
That's always the point.
We have 15. We have 16.
Hey, good job, crew!
He's looking right here. Right.
Look, we're playing around.
I guarantee whoever's behind us will have a goal.
Let's go now, speed it up! Speed it up! Rex, you gotta run!
It's the white line, right? The red?
Nah, I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, they tackled him after 30.
Would they blow the whistle for? Did he step out?
Nah, not the first time. No. Later, yeah, he did.
Oh, okay.
Right before the
But it looked like he honestly gave him the spot of the second step.
Gotcha. Oh, okay.
He definitely didn't step out the first one. Nah, hell no. Yeah, he got tackled. I think he gave him.
Let's go, give me something. No. I did see such a...
Time checking, Marcus.
No, that's good, hold on. Who play was that to? Who was running up?
Time checking.
Come on, let's get a touchdown.
You got one timeout.
What's the score?
19-0, I think.
That was supposed to be for Braylon, right?
Thomas, 19-0.
I don't even know.
2 touchdowns, 3 touchdowns, 1 extra point.
Let's go, B! Hey, full speed, B! Full speed, Braylon, let's go!
If they don't feel like they're real, they run with their grandma.
No, Noah, go! Noah, go!
Timeout, coach.
What's up with the late hit?
They are late hitting.
Why do we have so many late hits?
Let's go.
I understand if they're home field.
Make a whole video on all the flags. Push in the back, face mask, late hit. Wow. Touchback.
They're late hitting and everything.
Race it, let's end it right here, baby.
Full speed, let's go! Don't let them stop.
Race it, end it right here, babe.
We don't stop, we keep moving.
All the way.
Go, Grayson!
Do it again! Do it again!
Grayson, you gotta have more intensity. Run harder, Vaughn.
Let's go, Raiders, full speed!
Coaches are out, I thought. Our coach is out. Go, Grayson! Go!
Hey, B! You gotta throw the football, man. It's gonna be half time. Gotta air the ball out.
All those offensive.
And then when you ain't completed, the clock will stop. Instead of running,
Let's go, Raiders!
Bump it in.
Let's go, Raiders!
Block, y'all, block! Go, Nuts, go!
Yes. There we go. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, sir. Good job. Yes, sir.
God, get off the rope.
It's a box.
And keep that off the field there, Ty.
Guys, get the water in the bucket.
Why are we down here behind 30 anyway?
Card.
Ain't none of y'all talking about
Card.
Where are y'all supposed to be? Not past the what?
The 30.
Put him on.
Yeah, they ain't paying no attention over there.
Just getting further and further.
Go, baby, go!
We 1 for 4?
Yeah, 1 for 4.
1 for 4.
Take a knee. Right here. Take a knee. Let's take a knee. Half time. Take a knee. Relax. Take your helmet off.
Right here.
Take your helmet off.
I got 2 hoodies on. So I think I'm oh my goodness. I didn't even realize that.
That's funny.
I was like, okay, how can I do my layer?
Let's go, B. There you go, boy.
Run it over. Instead of run through them. We only got 1 out of 4. You think we're going to do it?
Let's go!
I was like, I'm the one that wanted the girl.
Is it good?
I think he said touchdown.
Did he say it was in?
I think he said touchdown. He didn't? I heard touchdown, but I didn't see any call.
It looked like you fell right on the line. What it looked like? This is a touchdown. Go.
Guys, quit it.
Let's go.
Hey, Junior,
Back up a little bit, Grayson. Right there.
All right, back up.
Cam, scoop, Cam.
Grayson, come on.
Hey, James, step back. Cam.
Hey, be ready. You know the three's coming. Let's go.
Hey,
Yes,
Derek.
You're good.
James on the wrong side.
You're good.
James on the wrong side.
Junior, back up.
Hey, we all
Noah! Hey, Grayson.
get 2. You get 2. I get 2.
He's too high, but it's 2 people on you. But You're looping too hard. Hey, just go through it tight. Yes, go through it.
Head, son. My goodness.
Hey, D, let me see it.
Hey, Grayson. Instead of going like this,
You just gotta play.
the tight end. The tight end.
I said, hey, when you the ball, he won. I said he was gonna light up like a Christmas tree. Get up, G.
You ready?
Hey, there you go, D. Hey, D. Hey, D. There you go.
Good job, D.
What we gotta do to give him? What do you gotta do to wake him up? I got some candy in your pocket.
Let him snort a pixie stick or something.
I told him it was a run to him. He like, all right. Come on, Low.
You guys want to get ready?
Ready, G?
Junior, step back. Grayson, you gotta get over there. Coming your way, Logan.
Go get it!
There you go, bro.
You can't wait for it. Hey, that's why we can't drop corners too far, because you waiting.
Hey, G. Next time, hey, just square up. Next time you get good,
Hey.
square up. Grayson.
No.
Grayson.
Grayson. He's waiting for it.
Grayson.
The corner's got to go up. You know what I mean? He's got to slide up.
No. Wow. They're playing 10 yards.
Yes. He's back. He's delaying on going to the ball.
Yes, you're right.
Come on, Miles. You got to go to it.
Hey, Grayson, you didn't want that one?
Come on, G.
G, just square up.
Make the play, G.
Grayson, 28 don't want it.
Come on, G.
28 don't want it.
Good hit. Hey, Grayson. They're going to do that all night long. They're going to do that. Be ready for that.
Hey, give me Mal. Give me Mal.
Mal?
Yes.
So much fun.
What's
Mal,
wrong?
you off. Come back off. It's off. Yeah, I'm off. Offense, offense.
All right, send it home, Grayson.
Who's that?
He's not moving at all.
One more? Oh, no.
It's a high five. Like a low five. You speak. There you go.
Keep going, boy. Keep going, boy.
I mean, don't get excited for nothing. They act like they start the touchdown. Well, I guess they do.
Right here.
He's getting
James, James.
It's tricky. I was spun around and didn't see
I
it.
did that earlier and then.
Fourth quarter.
Well,
Go, baby, go!
yep.
flag, dang.
Hey, Cody.
We're just here, baby. We do it all day.
Can't run outside at all, even though we're 6 over. You bounce it out, so we can't run outside.
Hey, coming from the same dude that said he stepped out of bounds.
That's a rule. Aren't you winning by a certain amount of points? They know what we're going to run. We're 7 years old.
Yeah, you can't bounce to the outside. You got to stay to the inside. Again,
No, it can't be upset.
official, he said it outside of bounds. Right, exactly.
No, and it also can't get happening.
That's a crazy rule.
That is a crazy rule.
Oh, no, put flags on.
Push through! Go, baby, go! Go! Go, go, go! Get up! You're so extra. Everybody to the ball! Do it again!
Now all they can do is do a full forward. So they know we got to run up the middle.
Right.
Ain't nothing you can do.
Yeah.
You can't pass. You can't run up to the outside. It's crazy.
Blow it up, Junior! Go, Nuts! Go, Nuts! Go, Nuts! Go, Nuts!
That was a good little run.
Yeah, yeah.
Some sidestepping.
I don't like that.
Yeah. Some dumb rules.
Alright, I'll let Brandon know. They're not going to get a flag. We get flags, but they don't. They're not going to get a
Why? Because the refs are
behind.
behind this year.
I don't know. We need to get Brandon. I think he said he's going to get the...
We need someone to report these refs because the amount of videos that I have of them holding Logan the entire game, blocking from the back, tackling him, and
Everybody on this team used to go outside. Go, baby, go! Go!
Oh, there you go.
Go! You gotta get on the way, coach! You gotta get on the way, coach! Then you should have not played in the 16.
That's actually hurt the other guy. He's blocking the other guy. He's another teammate.
I'm not being rude.
That's why I like coaches going on the field for football. They just be on the sideline anyway.
I'll say that. Bro, that coach was Chinese.
Is KK over there?
That coach. She's the black company. Go, baby! Yeah, let's go! Right there in the middle is actually good job, Noah. Bro, that's We're passing good. Yeah. It's 42 to 6. No, it's 42 to 6. I like 42 to 6. 47 to 6. What do you think? Defense? Pony. This game?
they want to continue.
That's
They just make it up as they go.
Look, I'm screaming. I'm not being rude. I'm literally saying you're in the way. He blocked his own player. Get out of the goddamn play, man.
Yeah.
My kids shouldn't have to run
Who
around.
knows? Like 40 to nothing.
So it was.
I said hurricane.
All right. 37-38 then, I think. It was 25, and we got a touchdown. Hurry, babe! Hurry! Keep running! Grayson, it ain't over, bud.
I think it's 38 to nothing.
Grayson, get ready. Hey, Grayson, get up. Get up, Grayson. Move up. Up. Get ready.
Right there in the middle! Oh my God! Yeah, Grayson, get him! You gonna grab him?
G, come here. Bro, you got me like play down there. I didn't even watch the play. I watched you do this. You let me go right through it.
Nine!
Keep it this side, Miles.
Hey, y'all boys
There!
hey, y'all boys just still the field.
Derek, number 2. Go
Hey, Junior,
for it.
back
Go
Junior.
to the green.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Come on, Lou! Yeah!
There you go, Logan.
Good job, Mom!
Hey, Grayson, that linebacker is this, and then go backwards. Hey, Junior, step back forward. Junior.
Where are they
Go
stuff
forward,
at?
Grayson, go.
Watch the ball.
They need to get ready. You know why his stuff at?
Ty's
I told
stuff's
him
in
to
the
get his stuff
car.
ready to get ready. He looked at me like I was crazy.
Ty's stuff's in the car.
Okay.
Good job, Bray.
They weren't supposed to be here till 12:50, which is after the end of their game.
Okay. Well, they was just saying make sure they was getting ready, so I was just trying to make them grab them all up.
Hey, Junior, you got
Which I know this game started late, so it's probably about that time, though.
It's 12:50 now.
No,
Just trying to
move
make
up.
sure everybody together.
Ty,
Go down there and sit down.
Ty.
They good. Just make sure they sitting down.
Ball game.
Thank you!